Google reviews are great for a few reasons. First, Google reviews level the playing field for businesses. A business that does not have as much to spend on marketing campaigns as a large, well-funded business can still compete nicely in this space. Any business with multiple customers can ask for and also receive Google reviews. They're free to get, they're free to leave. The only barriers to entry are having a Google profile set up correctly, the Toto way, asking for reviews, and actually having customers come and leave a review. Now, this all costs nothing, and so therefore, like we said, it levels the playing field for businesses. Second, Google reviews create transparency because there's a real feedback loop. A company cannot claim that they're the best at X, Y, and Z and have that simply be true because they said it, right? Not anymore. Regular people like you and I are able to add their thoughts and their impressions of a business, and those thoughts and impressions may reinforce the marketing message from a business, or they may refute those messages. You may have heard, for example, the phrase show, don't tell, and we love that phrase here at Toto Coaching. But what does that mean exactly? In short, show, don't tell, showing illustrates, while telling merely states it. It's just saying something. So with regards to reviews, reviews help you show the world how great you are instead of just telling the world. A potential customer reading your reviews can deduce the same positive information that they'd get from the business who is telling the world how great they are, but in a much more compelling and a much more believable, again, transparent way. Third, Google reviews also serve as what is called social proof, meaning that this is word of mouth proof, right? It's real. And social proof is also a psychology concept that states that people are more likely to engage in an action if other people are doing it or speak positively about it. So if you have positive things said about your company, then others will want to be a part of that group of cheerleaders as well. Fourth, and this is so important, solid Google reviews can help to develop your business as a trusted authority. And a trusted authority is just what it sounds like. They're trusted, meaning that people will consider this person or this business to be reliable or truthful, and an authority on a subject, meaning that they know a lot about this subject and are an expert in this field. Wouldn't you like to be considered the trusted authority in your field? Well, Google reviews are one avenue that will get you there. Now, for your customers, reviews are pretty easy to leave. A person's able to post a review without downloading an app or any special software. They simply need to have a Gmail account or an email associated with a Google account.